Lose arm fat in 7 days with these 4 exercises. Arm fats are ugly and no one likes them. That ugly extra flesh sticking out is uncomfortable and embarrassing. Imagine having to wave to a friend when you have some arm fat just flapping about. We only could imagine how uncomfortable that is. In this video, we are going to help you out with some simple exercises you can carry out to get rid of arm fat. You wouldn't have to worry about using long sleeve clothes to cover them up. Before we dig into exercises you could use to get rid of all that extra fat, ring the notification bell to get alert on new similar content. As promised, let's get started already. Number 1. Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and your arms by your side. Jump to a position where your legs are stretched and your hands are overhead. Return to the standing position with your hands to the side and your legs close together. Repeat this procedure 25 times. Number 2. Simple push-ups. Start with the regular push-up station with your knees on the floor and hands under your shoulder. Elbows being to the side, contract your abdomen and glutes and lower your body to the ground. Return to the original station. Repeat 10 to 12 times for the best results. Number 3. Chair dips. Sit up straight on a chair with legs slightly extended and feet to the ground. Place both hands on the sides of the chair, keeping palms down and fingertips pointing to the ground. Keep your legs in place and bring your glutes forwards of the chair. Slowly lower yourself to the floor and let your elbows form a 90-degree angle. Return to the original position. Do this procedure 10 times. Number 4. Soup. This works in a way that tightens your upper arms. Stand with your legs close together. Keep your knees short and arms straight with your elbows next to your ears. Bend your elbows to a 90-degree angle. Squeeze your triceps and straighten your arms. Do these 10 to 12 times for the best results. That's right about it. These 4 exercises would help you lose arm fat in just 7 days. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Also like and subscribe for more fascinating content.